Good morning, sir.
Oh, congratulations. I'm operating through my mobile hotspot. Okay. Is it working nicely? Hello? Are you hearing me, sir?
Yes, sir.
So actually Wi-Fi is not working, so I thought that I should try through mobile hotspot. So I am so pleased that it is working. Now we will have a brief class. And if possibly we can have one more class. Okay. Just wait. We were answering questions from the given book yesterday, and that book was this. Okay. We have done up to 10 questions yesterday.
What is the portion for this weekend exam, sir?
I already said the weekend portion is inorganic S block. We are revising organic for the heck of it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I want you to try the questions from 11 to 20 right now. 11 to 20. If possible, 25. And post me your doubts. I will be discussing all this. The moment the network comes, because this mobile network is not very good, it seems, I try to take one or two questions with this. If you are looking at the question, the incorrect statement concerning the structure A, B, and C is wrong. Can you see? Which statement is wrong, sir? A, B, A, C are tautomers, they say a statement. Do you think that A, B, A, C are tautomers? First of all, A, B, and C are resonance structures is wrong, because in resonance structures, the relative position of atoms would not change. So A, B, and C are resonance structures is wrong. That is incorrect statement. All other statements are correct. Can you see that? Do I know A, B, A, C are tautomers because they involve shifting of hydrogen? B and C are geometrical isomers because in B, the methyl group and ethyl group are on the opposite sides, whereas in C, the methyl group and the ethyl group on the same side. In other words, the ethyl group and OH are on the same side in B. The ethyl group and OH are on the opposite side in C. Can you see that really? So the statement C is right. Statement D, if you take B and try to put over C, they are not superimposing each other. Any pair of compounds which are non-superimposable are called diastereomers. Are we clear on that? Therefore, answer to question number 11 is obviously A, B, and C are resonance structures is wrong because they involve shifting of an atom. This problem number 12 is a problem that is related to burning percentage of phosphorus in organic compounds. The phosphorus of the organic compound is converted to magnesium ammonium phosphate and then to Mg2P2O7. The percentage of phosphorus is equal to weight of phosphorus in one molecular weight of Mg2P2O7. That is 62 divided by 233. Do you know the formula how to work it out, sir? Otherwise, this is the solution. You can readily understand that this is the way to solve it. Mass of the organic compound is 0.75. Mass of the magnesium pyrophosphate is 1 to 1.2545. Percentage is equal to Each Mg2P2O7 has 2P, that is 62 grams out of 222. The mass of Mg2P2O7 you got is 1.2545 divided by mass of organic compound 0.75 to 100. Direct problem. Do you know this model problems? Hello? If you don't know, we have to practice them. Sir, do you know this type of problems? Hello? 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 Did we get disconnected? Hello? Are you there? Sir, do we know this type of problem? If the organic compound has Cl, suppose hello?
Yes, sir.
There is a technical problem, not able to open the board. Hello, you do one thing, man. When the system sets, I will call you again. It's not working. Actually, I am trying for last 20 minutes. There is a problem with my tab or with Wi-Fi or whatever. All of you are there, I am able to see. If there is Cl in organic compound, you convert the Cl into AgCl. Suppose 0.5 grams of organic compound gave some 2 grams of AgCl. Into 2 by 0.5 into 100. Do you know this type of problems? Not able to get the board, man. Hello, I get the board and I call you in the evening again, or I will let you know, because the system is not responding. It is irritating. Only 22 members. Hey, there are about 50-60 fellows. Only why 22 fellows joined, by the way? Hello? Hello? The system is not responding as the Wi-Fi problem or tab problem appears to be there. I will call you once I schedule the meeting again. When you are free, sir? Hello? At what time you are free today? Hello? Hello?
After 5:30, sir.
After 5:30. Okay, I schedule a meeting at 6 o'clock if everything goes well. I'll let you know in the group. Thank you. Now I'm closing because it's not responding.